Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will do a quick review of a Simoniz new foaming tire shine. Now this is a foam that you pretty much spray over the tire and it will give it that nice new black look. So here is an example, so you can compare the left tire and the right tire. So I treated the left tire with this foam and it really looks good, and I'm planning to sell these tires, so this is something that will definitely attract a lot of buyers, and it will help me to make the sale. But most of you will try to use products like this on your car after washing it to make sure those tires look nice and shiny. So I'm quite happy with this product so far. I got a case of them, like 12 in a case, and one of these cans cost me maybe like $4.5. Like usual normal price when it's not a sale is around $7.99. So I got a really good deal, but even at $7.99 this is a really good product. So far I used different products for this, like the ones that come in a spray, and then you would have to spray the tire and then you would have to rub it and do it a couple of times to get this look. So this foam is really nice, and I will show you now on this third tire how it looks and how I apply it. Now this is the second set of tires I'm doing with this one can, and I'm doing complete tires, so I'm doing both sides and the tread as well, and you will be doing just one side which is exposed on your vehicle. So this one can last you, I guess, I don't know, at least 5-6 even more applications. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is pretty much how I do it. It covers the whole tire quickly, and then it dries for maybe I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and after that it's good to go. Now one thing I noticed, I tried to do this the other day when it was quite cold outside and it will freeze, so make sure it's above 0 Celsius degrees outside and you should be good. So this is all you have to do, and then just wait. So I'll do both sides, and I'll also do the tread as well, and then I will show you the end result, and it's gonna look the same like the other two tires. I like it, like I said, much more than those sprays. Okay, and that's it. I will do this as well quickly, and after maybe 10-15 minutes I will have a brand new looking tire, which I really like. Okay, and this is the result. You will easily make old ugly tires into almost brand new looking tires. Yeah, I think if you buy this product you'll be happy with it. Like I said, it's quite cheap, affordable, and it does the work. One thing I have to mention now, all these products are not supposed to be used on the tread, so on top of the tire while the tire is mounted, because this all has like the oily finish, so you might slide or something. This thing is also not supposed to get on the brakes, on the brake pads, on the rotors, things like that. So you're only supposed to spray them on the edges, on the outside edge of the tire when the tire is mounted on the vehicle. So you will spray only around here. I'm doing the complete tire because they are not mounted, they will not be driven soon. Those tires will go into my storage and I will eventually advertise them and sell them. Okay, so I'm not sure what else can I say. The point of this video was for you to see the condition of tires before I applied this foam and after. There is a big difference, so yeah, I think it's a good buy. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.